On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I, Shayandeep, welcome you all. Today I will tell you about a very interesting new age innovative idea compiled by Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiatives, ZIIEI. The name of this particular zero investment idea is musical games under the case study learning through games. Now this particular case study and of course the idea has been given by the innovative teachers of the state of Assam. Before I go into the implementation of this particular idea, let's talk about why this idea is so important. Now, we all know playing comes very naturally to the children, and hence when learning becomes a part of the playing process, it automatically motivates the student to learn, pay attention and participate in the classroom activities. Let's now talk about how to implement this particular idea. But before that, the preparations. For this particular idea to be implemented, the students in the classroom, they are made to sit in a circle and a small object like a chalk or a duster is made to pass around the circle. Let's talk about now the implementation. As the student passes the chalk or the duster around the circle, a background music is played by the teacher. Now, a moment comes when the teacher intentionally stops the background music. At that point of time, the student who is holding the chalk or the duster, that student has to perform a particular activity set by the teacher. This activity can include reciting a poem, counting a table, any kind of general knowledge question or even a mental math question. If that particular student is unable to perform that activity, automatically that person is out of the game. Obviously, if the person is able to perform the activity, the game continues. Like this, elimination happens till a point when there is a single winner. Like this, a classroom game is conducted. Let's talk about the benefit of this particular idea. As we have seen, when learning becomes a part of games, then it automatically motivates the student to become a part of the learning process inside a classroom. I hope you like this particular idea and I surely hope you will implement this in your respective classrooms. If you want to see more of such videos, please subscribe to our ZIIEI YouTube channel. And if you are watching this video on Facebook, please like our ZIIEI Facebook page. Thank you.